Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm here about to start making dinner. It's about to be 5 p.m. but I didn't really get to vlog earlier in the morning only because there wasn't really much going on. My husband went in to work a little bit later than he usually does, so I just made us breakfast. We were here. I went out for a little bit. I picked up my daughter at 2 on Wednesdays. They have early release. So right after I picked her up, we went to Target to get some diapers for my baby. And while I was there, I found this really good, well, it looks good. It's a breaded chicken, Parmesan breaded chicken cutlets and jalapeno stuffed peppers wrapped in bacon. So that's what I'm about to start doing. Then once we finish dinner, I'm gonna go in my room and just organize our outfits for the week, kind of iron the rest of the outfits, iron uniforms for my daughter, things like that. So I'll be showing you that later on. What I like to do is use this rack right here to kind of stay organized with outfits for the week for either my daughter's uniform, her school uniforms. I can either iron them or sometimes I just kind of have them hanging and iron them in the morning. Also, it helps me keep organized with my husband's clothes and also mine as well. So this Friday we have a graduation to go to, so I kind of wanted to find what we're gonna be wearing so we won't be rushing that day, so we can make it on time. And then on Saturday morning I'm gonna be taking the kids to get their Santa pictures. So I'm about to show you what they're going to be wearing, and I found these outfits I think even before Thanksgiving. I had already purchased them. I found these at Target. So this is the dress that my daughter's gonna be wearing for our Christmas Eve family gathering, and then she's also going to be wearing it this Saturday. It has a sequins all over the front and the back. I just thought it was very festive, very out there, but also very pretty. And this is one of the dresses that I kind of have to hang here just so we can have everything ready for Saturday morning, because I do plan on going pretty early, just because I know sometimes those lines can get pretty long at the mall to get pictures with Santa Claus. And then the matching outfit for my son is going to be this one. This is a white button-up shirt, and it has little trees all over it. That's why I thought it was perfect. It went with the dress. And then it has the suspenders, the red bow tie, and the red pants. So I kind of have to get this ironed and then hang it on here as well. And then on Friday, I'm thinking that my daughter might wear this dress. She's had it for a while. It was the Harajuku Mini 20th Anniversary Collection at Target. So she may wear this one on Friday. I just kind of have to figure out what we're wearing. But in this rack, I kind of also used to use it to keep track of outfits that I would get sent so that I can post them. And I don't know, it just helps me stay a little bit more organized. So I have a little bit of ironing to do. I have a little bit of outfit planning. And then on here, I just kind of like to keep little t-shirts like these for my daughter, because she does wear uniforms Monday through Thursday, and then on Fridays they can dress down. So if we're running late or something like that, I can just pull something from here. It does help though if everything's ironed, because it's just faster to kind of pull from here. For little girls. They have rips, and inside of the rips they have a sequins, so they shine a lot. So I'm thinking that she can wear these jeans with this unicorn t-shirt. A very cute and casual little outfit for school. They don't really need much ironing, but I'm just still gonna kind of go through them a little bit. Okay. My daughter's doing homework right now, and then my baby's just walking back and forth. And then the reason why I'm ironing right here on the bed instead of like an iron board is because I feel like when I have one of those, he's gonna be like moving it, and just I can already see an accident happening. So I just rather be right here. The plug is right here, so I can kind of block my baby from getting close to this iron. I already finished ironing a few outfits for my daughter and for my son for this week. And when I went inside of my closet to look at the things that I wanted to wear this week, I found this one that I had purchased at Forever 21. They're a pair of biker shorts, and they have the sequins all over them. They're so pretty. I'm not gonna wear them this week, but I just thought I would show them to you. These are perfect for the holidays. They were $24.99. So I'm gonna set those aside. I have a few things that I haven't worn. I've shown you before here on like a few hauls, but I haven't worn them yet. I put outfits together for them, but for me, sometimes I don't necessarily put the outfits together. I just kind of throw things on here that I want to wear, and then on that day, depending on my mood, that's when I decide, am I gonna do leggings, jeans, skirt, whatever the case may be. So for sure, I really want to get to wear this one because I haven't worn it, and it's really pretty. And then I also have this pretty little thing, pink bomber. I was gonna wear it the other day, but I didn't really know how to wear it, so I really want to find an outfit to kind of wear this with it. And then maybe I could, I don't know if I should put these two things together because this one's like a different pink, but I don't know. I just really want to wear this one this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang it over here. I might wear this skirt from Zara. I haven't even worn yet. I completely forgot about this one. It's really cute, and it has like that A-line cut, and it's very stretchy and soft. It's like a knitted material. It's very cute, so I might do this one. I'm not really sure, but for sure this is like a weekend type of skirt, so that's what I plan on wearing. Maybe on Saturday or Sunday, not really sure what we have going on. And then on here, I just have a few sweaters and jackets that I've already shown you. I really like to keep things on here that I know for sure I can just throw over any outfit. And I always like to have also like an all black outfit, or just like a very casual, easy outfit to wear whenever I just really don't know what to wear and I have to get out of the house. But I have a few things over here. I have a pile of things that I washed, so I'm gonna sort that out, divide what needs to be taken to the kids room, fold a few of my things, hang things, and then I know I'm gonna have more things that I can add to this rack right here. So that's pretty much it, what I do, how to organize the outfit. As for my husband's clothes, I already hang them on his side of the closet just so everything won't be like too piled up on here. I mean, he can just grab the clothes and put them on in the morning. As for my kids, I'm the one that kind of like dresses them and things like that, so, or I tell my daughter what to grab. So I already have a uniform outfit right here for tomorrow. It's just way better to stay organized like this. So I'm glad I was able to put some time to the side to do this right now. No kiss? Beso? I don't know how good the lighting is gonna be in here right now, but I'm currently in my bathroom and I have my baby in the bathtub. He loves his bath time, so I'm gonna leave him in there for a few minutes while I'm in here taking off my makeup. I'm gonna take off my makeup, then go back to do a few more chores, edit this video, and then while it's loading, I guess that's when I'm gonna have time to put him to sleep and then kind of have a little bit time with my daughter. So right now, I'm about to remove my makeup with the makeup eraser. I showed this in one of my previous videos when I did the FabFitFun unboxing for their winter box. And this thing, I have been using it ever since I received it. And I already washed it 3 times. So it says to wash 2 to 3 times a week. But I've been washing it every single time that I put clothes to wash. So it's fresh out of the washer and I feel like it still has a few stains on it. I don't know. I don't think those are going to come off. I think this is when I used the red lipstick and it came out of the washer. So I don't know why that stain didn't come off. But when I'm telling you that this thing works, it really, really works. You're about to see how good this thing works. So let me go ahead and first take off my earrings. This is the best feeling ever. I'm just gonna set them right here on a tray that I have. And then I'm going to, so pretty much what you do with this is you don't need to add any makeup remover to it. You just add water, you rub it in to your face and that's it. I'm just gonna add some water right here in the sink and then I'm gonna show you how it removes my makeup. I was amazed at how squeaky clean my face was left. Like, I don't know, it's just, this thing is really good. Okay, so I got the, probably need to move these out of the way. I just have like a flower arrangement right here, but it's already pretty wet. So I'm just gonna start rubbing it and the makeup is gonna start dissolving. Okay, so let me just show you so far what that did. So I still kind of have to go through it a little bit more, but as you can see, it like completely removed the foundation that I had around the eyebrow area and my eyebrow as well. So as you can see, it removed most of my makeup. I still kind of have to go in a little bit more. Whenever you have lash glue, all you have to do is you just have to kind of keep rubbing it a little bit in there. Not too hard, just gently around that area and the glue just comes right off. I'm already gonna go ahead and put the kids to sleep. Now that everyone is sleeping, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up a few things around the house, take a shower, and then call it a night. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're enjoying my daily vlogs and daily videos. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on tomorrow's video.